Hi all and welcome back to English School Online, the channel that helps you to speak English clearly, be easily understood, get better jobs and speak English with confidence. In this English pronunciation tutorial, you're going to learn the difference between the two sounds as in but and as in Bart. But, Bart. These two vowel sounds are incredibly difficult to hear the difference between and also to pronounce correctly. This video itself was a request from one of our subscribers here on the channel, so thank you very much for making this request. It was a really good video to request. So let's get down to it and go through the tutorial. What I'm going to do is I'm first of all going to explain how we make the two sounds in English, and are. I'm then going to compare the two. I'm then going to put both sounds into words so you can hear how words sound correctly in context with these sounds in them. And then finally, I'm going to give you 3 sentences that contain a mixture of these two sounds for you to be able to practice your hearing and your recognition of these two sounds in English speech, and also for you to be able to practice making them in connected English speech. So it's going to be a really useful tutorial to help you improve your English and to speak more clearly. Let's get to it. We're going to start with the sound, as in run. So look here at my lips, My mouth is 3/4 of the way open. So if my mouth was closed, it would be or oo. Okay, if my mouth was fully open, it would be like that. Okay, and we're going to get to that when we look at the next sound. For my mouth is 3/4 of the way open. As you can hear, it's a short vowel sound. It's not it's and it comes from the back of my mouth. Okay, If we compare that to what do you notice first of all? It's a long English vowel sound, compared to short. My mouth is fully open, compared to My lips are still unrounded. They're not like that or like that. My lips are relaxed and unrounded, And again, the vowel sound comes from the back of my mouth. Both these vowel sounds come from the back of the mouth. And as you can see, the two differences between the two vowel sounds, for my mouth is 3/4 open, for it's fully open, and is a short vowel sound, is a long vowel sound. Those are the only two differences between these two vowel sounds. Okay, so first of all, it's really important to be able to get the mouth in the correct position. That is the biggest thing that's going to help you to get these vowel sounds correct. Okay, mouth has to be in the right position. Long vowel sound, short vowel sound. I'm now going to go ahead and put both sounds into 5 sets of words. 5 words are exactly the same apart from these two vowel sounds which make the words different. Okay, and this is where it really gets very important for you to be able to hear the difference and for you to be able to pronounce the difference. If you can't pronounce the difference between these two vowel sounds, you're going to put yourself in situations where you're hard to understand and people are hearing incorrect things when you're trying to say things. Okay, so pair of words number 1: cut, cart, cart, cut, cut, cart, cart, cub, 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 carb, 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 cub, 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 carb, carb, carb. Number 3: bun, 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 barn, 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 bun, 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 barn, barn, barn. Number 4: chum, 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 If you're my friend, you're my chum. Chum, chum, chum. Charm, charm, charm. I hope you think my English pronunciation videos are charming pronunciation videos. Charm, charm, charm. Are you telling the difference already? If so, thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below how you're finding this, what difficulties you're having. Can you hear it great? Can you hear the difference? No. Comment below so I know how you're getting on. The fifth and final pair of words that we're going to look at is gunner, 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 and garner, garner, garner. Okay? Gunner and garner. Gunner and garner. All right, so there you go. You've got 5 pairs of words there. Now let's put these words into some sentences and really stress test your hearing and your pronunciation of both these English vowel sounds. If you're finding this video useful, make sure to subscribe below and turn notifications on, because I've got videos that come out like this on a weekly basis. So make sure to never miss any and get the best out of your English. Let's go and put these words into sentences. So, sentence 1. But Bart's chums harmed the barn. 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 Can you hear it? I hope you can hear the difference. If you can't, don't worry. You just need to go back through and listen to me explaining the vowel sounds correctly again, and then practice putting it into the words. It's when you put it into sentences like this that everything comes together, okay? So if you can't hear it yet, don't worry. If you can, great, thumbs up. Sentence 2. Mark's gun was in the barn's bunker. Mark's gun was in the barn's bunker. Mark's gun was in the barn's bunker. Again, Mark's gun was in the barn's bunker. Okay, again, mixture of in there. Okay, so I really hope that you can hear the difference. And finally, sentence 3, the hugging chums are partners. 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 Okay, It really is as simple as that. Put the mouth in the correct position, get the vowel sounds correct in words, and then get the words correct in sentences. Here's a really useful tip. You may find that in some words you're getting the sound or the R sound correct, and in other words you're not. If that's the case, don't worry. All you need to do is focus on getting the sound correctly before and after certain consonants. So for example, you may find the R sound very easy before the M sound, arm, but you might find it very difficult before the T sound, art, art, okay, or any other combinations of these vowel sounds and English consonants, okay? So your homework for this week is to really focus on these 2 sounds. Can you hear the difference? Great. Can you pronounce the difference? Even better. And can you pronounce these words correctly in speech, connected speech? Absolutely brilliant, okay? Simple as that. Thumbs up if you've liked the video, thumbs down if you haven't, boo. Subscribe and turn notifications on for weekly pronunciation tutorials that come out like this every week to help you speak English with confidence and to be easily understood. And if you haven't done so already, please do fill out the questionnaire linked at the bottom of this tutorial that's going to help me to see what kind of additional content that you'd like. And it's going to also help me to see if you would like a premium service where I can bring you premium exclusive additional content on a weekly basis. I'm currently looking to see at the moment how I can bring you more content on the channel. And one way that I'm looking at doing that is to bring you more content, exclusive content, in exchange for a small monthly fee that will enable me to invest more time and energy in our channel here. So do the questionnaire if you haven't done so already. Thank you to everyone that already has done it. And I look forward to seeing you in next week's tutorial. See you next week. Thumbs up.